Hi, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to cover you how we can use the Excel template to do the data migration. First, you go back to the company and there's called a tools from here. Inside the tools, we have a called data migrations. And from this data migration screen, we have called upload CSV file, and also we have called connect to QNE Optimum. And for this video, we only will cover you to upload the CSV file as well. And once you click the upload CSV file, you can see in this screen we have called a master data, and also we have called transactions. And for this master data, normally we will upload the chart for account, currency, payment terms, area, default interface account, asset and depreciation, and also we have covered about the customer category, agents, customer listing, supplier category, purchaser, and also the supplier, and also the stock item as well, all the related to the stock. And from this part, in order you want to do the data migration, you need to fulfill back our template file. So how we can get the template file? First, let's say you want to get the chart for account template. You can click on this chart for account, and from this one you can click on the upload CSV buttons, and from this screen you can just click on the download sample. Once you click on the download sample, the system will help you to download a sample, and you can just open this template file. And you can see on this template file, this is the template that you can use it. For example, for this chart for account, you can see you need to update your own account code, then what is the account name, and then this one is how we're going to update the debit or credit, and what is the account type, and what will be the parent code for each of the account, and what is the special code on this part. But if let's say you are not very sure what is the account type and what is the special code from here, you can try to go back to our support.qne.com.my, and you can scroll down. There's called QNE AI Cloud Accounting. This is a knowledge base. You can refer back to the article, and from here you can refer back to the general maintenance. From this general maintenance, you can scroll down. There's called how to import chart for account by Excel template, and from this one they have an explanation what will be the account type for. This is NC stands for sales, INA stands for sales adjustment, and also including the special code. What is the meaning of the special code? Right. Once you have referred on this one, and once you have complete the CSV file, remember save this file as a CSV. Okay. Don't forget to save as a CSV file, and then you can just save the document and yes, replace for this one. Once you're done, you can go back to the system here, and then you can just click to upload back the data that you're going to migrate. So once you click on the download, and then this is the sample that I'm going to download, and I just click on the import button, the system will help you to import the data from here. And what you need to do, you need to finalize everything from this screen. Is that all the account code, account type, and the parent account is the correct one? If let's say it's the correct one, you can just click on the save item. It will proceed to do the data migration and how many data is being imported. So in this one, you need to do one by one, step by step to the currency. Then you can download the currency. After that, you've done all the things from here. You can download like the area, default interface account, and every single of the template from here, it have their own sample data to display for you. What is the sample on here? Like this one, you just need to put in the type on here, and what is the account code from here. This is the one for a template for do the data migrations.
Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.